Ever chatted with someone cute and thought, are they into me? Well, today, I'm your secret weapon. Let's dive into the top 10 questions a girl asks when she wants you. These aren't just questions, they're signals. Ready to decode them together? 1. What's your type? When she asks about your type, she's not just curious. She's checking if she fits your preferences. If she follows up with, that sounds like me, it's a clear hint she's interested. She's also hoping you'll ask her the same question. 2. Are you seeing anyone? This isn't just small talk. She's trying to figure out if you're available. If she says, that's surprising, or their loss, she's showing interest. And if she mentions how single she is, it's a big hint that she's available. 3. Do you work out? She's not recruiting for the gym. She's admiring your physique and fishing for an invite to join you. If she says, it really shows, she's imagining how good you'd look in a tank top and hoping you'll suggest working out together. 4. What do you do for fun? She's finding common interests to see if you click. If she says, I've always wanted to try that, she's already planning your next 10 dates. She's hoping to discover shared hobbies for future fun together. 5. Do you like to cook? This isn't just about food. She's assessing if you're domesticated and imagining cozy nights in. If she says, you'll have to cook for me sometime, she's inviting herself over for a date. 6. What's your ideal date? She's using visualization to imagine a date with you. If she says, that sounds perfect, you've just planned your next date. She's hoping your ideal date matches her interests. 7. What's your love language? She wants to understand how you express and receive affection. If she shares her love language right after, she's giving you tips on how to win her over. She's also checking if your love languages are compatible. 8. Do you believe in soulmates? She's gauging your romantic side. If she says, I feel the same way, she's hinting that she sees you as a potential soulmate. She's hoping for a romantic response to share with friends. 9. What's your biggest turn on? She's shifting the conversation to a more intimate level. If she says, oh, really? That's interesting, she's noting what excites you. She's hoping you mention something she already does. 10. Do you want to grab a coffee sometime? This is a low-risk way to spend time together. If she follows up with, or we could do dinner if you prefer, she's giving you options. She's hoping you suggest something even better. Now you're ready to decode girl speak. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more dating tips. Got any flirting stories or questions? Drop them in the comments. And share this video with your buddies, they'll thank you later. Until next time, keep your eyes open and your flirt game strong.